Hey, my friend Robert Mercado back here with you, and on behalf of my partner Christian Bowling and myself, we'd like to thank you for registering to the webinar. We're definitely excited to deliver some massive value to you. Now, before I get into showing you a demo of the software that we're giving you for free today, we wanted to first let you know about a comprehensive Twitter training course as well as revolutionary software that we're bundling together and making available to you on August 3rd. Now, in short, this course will be the only training course you're ever going to need to dominate on Twitter immediately. Now, even if you're a complete newbie, yep, from those of you who have never touched Twitter to those of you who have and may have not gotten the results you were looking for, you'll greatly benefit from this course. We got a ton of value in there with a number of different modules taking you step by step. Now, Christian and I decided to call it Follower Mastery. And for the software that we're bundling together with it is called Follower Grabber. Now, enough talk. Let me show you a quick demo of the power this software has. All right, my friend, I'm actually here in front of my computer now, and I have Follower Grabber open. Now, the power behind Follower Grabber is that you can literally search for any keyword or person's name or a tweet, right? If it's a keyword inside of a tweet, it'll find all the tweets that have that keyword in it. I'll show you some examples. So if I actually search, for example, Ray Higdon, right? Big leader in the industry, has a large following, right? You see the 58,000 followers. Now, if I wanted to download every single person in a list that follows Ray Higdon, all I have to do now is click Get Follower IDs. You see Follower Grabber is working to create that file for you, and then within seconds, here in the bottom left corner, it downloaded the file of 58,000 IDs. And if you see, if I expand this and I start going down, we'll be scrolling for a little bit, but you got the 30,000s, the 40,000s, the 50,000s, and it ends at about 58,100, right? So 58,000 IDs instantly, within a few seconds. And, you know, you may be asking, well, Robert, what can you do with those IDs now? And I'm going to show you in just a moment. Another option that you can do is look up trends, right? So if you want to do a promotion on a certain trend that's out there, or see what's kind of is the latest and greatest type of thing, or what people are talking about, you can go right here to trends and it'll show the worldwide trends, or you can search for a location, right? So if I search for Orlando, Florida, you'll see it'll bring up those trends right there. You can click on each to, you know, obviously get a lot more information about them, but it looks like people are talking about Best Buy, they're talking about Wellington, Growing Up Hispanic, MTV Scream. So these are all different trends in Orlando, Florida. So that's pretty powerful. Now what you could do with tweets is actually search for any keyword. So let's say you wanted to target people who like yoga. You can actually type in yoga and find tweets. And what it'll do is it'll find every single tweet on Twitter that includes the word yoga in it. So you see yoga here, you'll see yoga there, yoga pants. So every single tweet you'll actually have right there in your hands. Now, what can you do with these? Well, you can view the tweet, right? You actually click on view tweet, or you can actually, here's another example, right? You can actually download the IDs. So if you click download IDs, it'll actually show you how many pages do you want to download. Do you want to just download the first page, which is about 100 results, or do you want to download 20 pages? So if we do 20 pages and we click download IDs, you'll see Follower Grabber is working in the background right now to fetch all of these IDs for you, and it only takes a couple of seconds to complete. And there it is. You'll see in the bottom left corner, yoga and the actual file there. Now, and then you have all the IDs in there. Now, what I want to do is show you exactly what you do with these CSV files. Now, if I actually go over here to Audience Manager, which is in the ads platform for Twitter, and how you get there is very simple. You would go to Tools, Audience Manager. I'm already there, and as you can see, you can upload audiences here right in your ads back office. So you just click on Create New Audience, upload your own list, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type a name for it. So if I actually wanted to do that yoga list, then I would just type in yoga, and I would select Twitter user IDs, choose the CSV file. So I'm going to open that up. I'm just going to search for the yoga file, and there it is. and then I'm going to hit create list audience. And then within seconds, as you can see, it uploads all of those IDs into a list. And then once it's done, you just click OK. It'll take a little while to process that for you. And once it's done, then you can actually go and create an ad and have your ad target only that specific list. How powerful is that? If I actually wanted to target Ray Higdon's followers only for a product or service that I'm promoting, then I would select only that list as a tailored audience when creating an ad. Now, what I also want to do, as powerful as that is, I want to share with you really quick, because Follower Scheduler, which is the product, the software that you're getting for free from us, and I want to show you how to actually utilize it. So when you are in your back office here for Follower Scheduler, you're going to simply click on Create Tweet, and you're going to create a tweet. So I'm just going to do test number 1 tweet. Then you're just going to select the date. Today's the 15th, and you select the time you want it to be posted, right? And then you can actually click on Schedule Tweet. And there it is. Well done, your tweet has been scheduled. Now this is powerful because you can actually schedule all your tweets for the entire week or the entire month. So utilize this to its full advantage and allow it to save you time throughout the day. And this is one less thing you're going to have to do, to build your Twitter audience, and you can focus on other things as well. So utilize this to automate your tweets for you. So it's pretty powerful. It's a simple tool. I hope you enjoy it. Now, last but not least, I want to show you a little glimpse of Follower Mastery. We have a complete course laid out for you, my friends, with over 15 modules going deep into different strategies, as well as how to effectively grow your following on Twitter, which will then increase your leads and sales and increases your income, and how to actually use the power of Twitter ads as well, and a lot more in here. So you're definitely going to appreciate it. There's bonus modules as well, and it's some powerful stuff.
Pretty awesome, right? Well, as you can see, I'm pretty pumped myself, because this is literally going to change the way you do business going into 2016. My friend, enjoy using Follower Scheduler, which you can download right below on this page, and we'll see you on the upcoming webinar where you'll have the opportunity to get Follower Mastery and Follower Grabber together for an early bird discount price. So keep an eye out for our emails. We'll see you there.